Hello everyone, so welcome to my playlist on multiple integration. This one separate lecture especially for this example because many students asked me in the comment section and they asked me how to solve this problem. So here is a short video on this. So I want to evaluate this integral mod of xyz over this ellipsoid. So for ellipsoid, so obviously it is difficult to solve using this Cartesian, so we try to choose a substitution. So for ellipsoid, what is the substitution you choose? We choose x equal to a times u, y equal to b times v, and z equal to c times w. Now once you have the substitution, what you do? You find the Jacobian, x with respect to u, x with respect to v, x with respect to w, y with respect to u, y with respect to v, y with respect to w, and z with respect to u, v, w. Therefore Jacobian comes out to be ABC. Good. And once we have this Jacobian, now what is the new surface in u, v, w plane in xy z surface in xyz three-dimensional space? This is the ellipsoid. Now what is the region R in u, v, w space? So if you replace your x, y, z over here, you get u square plus v square plus w is equal to 1. So you get a sphere in u, v, w space. And whenever you have a sphere, we have spherical coordinate with us. So we'll take the help of spherical coordinates. So let me erase this. So now what ultimately we have is, by Jacobian theorem, what do we have is v is nothing but triple integration mod of xyz. So if I replace the value of xyz, it was abc uvw, right? And here you have dv dw dv du dw, some order into Jacobian. What was the Jacobian? Your Jacobian was ABC, so I'm making it as a square, b square, c square, and they are constants. I can take out outside. So this is a square, b square, c square over the region R. What is my R? U square plus v square plus w square equal to 1, which is a sphere. So whenever you have a sphere, you go by spherical coordinates. So let me write down this over here, dv. Here dv is one of the du, dv, w order. Okay. Now for spherical, what you do? Your u is rho sin phi cos theta, v is rho sin phi sin theta, w is rho cos phi. Your dv is what? You replace this by the Jacobian into this triplet. Okay, so if I do this thing over here, I have a square, b square, c square outside, triple integration mod of the product. So rho raised to phi, then sin phi sin phi sin phi, so sin cube of phi into cos phi, and then sin theta cos theta. Sin theta cos theta mod of d rho d phi d theta. Fine. And what are the limits of rho? It's a unit sphere, right? So your rho is 0 to 1, phi is our normal 0 to pi, and theta in xy plane 0 to 2 pi. Okay, now rho is 0 to 1, it is positive, so I can take out outside the mod, and rho raised to 5 is rho raised to 6 upon 6. So when I apply the limit, I have a square, b square, c square upon 6. Okay, and now I have the limit of theta, I have the limit of phi. Now here I have mod of sin cube phi into mod of cos phi, mod of f into g, mod of ab is mod a into mod b, and here sin theta cos theta means mod of sin 2 theta by 2, and here you have d phi and d theta. Now our job is to remove this modulus sign. Okay, now our job is to remove this modulus sign. So how we will remove this modulus sign? That's one thing. So now what is my theta? Let's play with theta and phi over here. So sin 2 theta. So sin theta is what? We know that the graph for sin theta is what? 0 to pi, 2 pi. This is a graph for sin theta. What is for sin 2 theta? So since you have seen my lecture on periodic function, sin 2 theta have the period pi, right? So here it will happen 2 times over here, right? So this is pi by 2, 3 pi by 2. So it will have 0 to pi, then it will again repeat. This is the graph for sin of 2 theta. So it is negative where? Here and here it is negative, and it's a symmetric. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I want to remove this, so what I will do is I will remove this mod for sin 2 theta. Okay, and when I am removing this mod, I will do 4 times. because I'm only taking this positive and all this negative become positive. So actually this is coming over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 times, and now this mod has gone. Great. What about sine cube phi from 0 to pi? Okay, 0 to pi sine is positive, so sine cube is also positive. So remove this mod as well. For cos phi, what about cos phi? We know this is the graph for cos phi. Okay, this is pi by 2. So I have to concentrate from 0 to pi. So till here. So again, this is symmetric. When I am taking mod, this will come up. This graph will come up like this. So 1 and 2. So you replace this as 2 times. 2 times cos phi. Okay, so I hope this idea is clear. So finally now all the mod has been gone, and now it is easier to solve because now there is no more mod. So what do you have? Here you have is 2 will get cancelled. So you have a square b square c square upon 6, and integration theta will be from 0 to pi by 2. Your phi will be from 0 to pi by 2. Okay, because we are restricting. And here we have sine cube phi into cos of phi into sine 2 theta d phi d theta. Good. That's what we have. Okay, there was 4 over, so 4 I take out outside. So your 4 a square b square c square by 6. What is for theta? What is integration of sine theta minus cos theta? So minus cos 2 theta by 2, you have 0 to pi by 2. And for this phi wala thing, you replace your sine by t. So this will be what? So for this thing, you replace your sine phi by t. So you have cos phi d phi is equal to dt. And since phi is from 0 to pi by 2, when phi is 0, your t is 0 because sine 0 is 0. And when your phi is pi by 2, your t is nothing but 1. So what do you get? 4 a square b square c square by 6. Here you take out minus outside and you take out 2 outside. Cos of pi is minus 1, minus cos 0 is 1. So this is what we have. And here what do you have? You have t is from 0 to 1. This is your t cube dt. Good. So this is what we have. And now, now we are done, I think, right? So this is minus into minus, minus 2 and minus here, which becomes plus 2. So this and this goes away. So you have 4 a square b square c square by 6 into here you have t raised to 4 upon 4, 0 to 1 by 4, you have a square b square c square by 6. So that's how you solve such kind of problem. And so I hope this is clear. If yes, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.